Hello everyone, hello everybody. Today, in the C++ tutorial, we'll discuss about how to create a parking fee management system in a C++ using CodeLite. Before that, we have to know what is a parking fee management system. A parking fee management system is a system which manages parking fee for vehicles such as motorcycles, car, bus, or truck in hospital, school, or we take an example for this tutorial in the hospital. It will be used to procedure like the check-in or the check-out of the vehicles, parking duration, and how much cost payout to parking with parking duration. This program using while looping statement, switch statement, if else condition, go to statement, and void function. Now I will explain about while loop. A while loop statement used for check the looping condition before the execution of the repeat statement as long as a given condition is true. We also have the void function. It's called a procedure because get a return value. Now I have a conception about this program. Here's my conception about the program. We have a header file. First we have the header file, then void function. This program has function. In the void function have the if else is for the duration, free parking duration in the void function. Content of the void function have a duration. Then have the print to the print struct for the parking fee, parking print struct, sadly print struct, and then have the inmain here for the inmain here, and then have a content the go to statement here parking, and the parking have the main information, and then call a void function, call a content information, and then show the all content in the void function. Have the while looping here for the again. Then we have this my output display here, show the display about the information. Example, a parking fee motorcycle in the Vechicle hospital, print, and then show the transportation type like this, and next show the information about transformation type until parking fee. Here enter the cost, ribbon, and printing struct. Here for the while looping the count again. Now we make a program about a parking fee management system using CodeLite. First, we go to open a CodeLite here. And then after open the CodeLite, move the cursor in the workspace view, and you can see my search code here, workspace here. Right click and go to new project, and then choose the in the console option simple executable or C++. Click and name it project parking then finish. Here in the parking folder, search a main CPP, rename to parking. So like this, block all code, and then remove, include the hello file here. And then include the eStream here. Using namespace here. Then a void function here. Void to the sample of parking fee. Open the brackets and close it. Then add the types here. First integer, type of the time for transportation, fee, and cost. Add the ribbon, and then add the string, number. Let's enter float. Then plus duration. Now we make an output. Now we make the output here. Then make to the import into the to the variable. Import to the variable. The links. Number plate here. Add to the no variable. We check the vehicle. Check in the vehicle. And import to the file. Net to the exit. Then have the if else condition here. Exit. If the value are in the exit bigger equal like in variable, then duration equal like the exit, means in, else header here, and the linear space MDL, then add the condition for the thing for the fee here, add the operator and here, add the type variable equal like 1, open bracket, add the fee, this duration means 0 and multiple 1001. Then edit code, parking fee, yeah. Then add the else if here, add duration like in above, type to here, $5,000 here for the car maybe. Make the output show the parking fee, and we can, I think it's the sound like in above, can get, we can to copy paste here and change the number type here and change the money here. And do it in the next condition. And here change the return to number 1, 2 and 3. And here we change to the 8. $1,000 here. Here remove duration and stay 5,000 here. Do it until the type 3 So let's make the space like this, and make the output enter the cost. And 8 to cost. Make initial initialization. Ref is cost means fee. The cost means a fee from the parking fee here. They make the output for the code to rerun. Run. Make the go to statement here to print and show the print content here. Move to printer. Now we make the print statement in below is show like this. Yep. Show the type here, transformation type, then code the license 8. Yeah. And from the variable no number, hit the parking duration, add the duration here, and make the whole per second. and then add the parking fee. Parking fee. Forget to add the look here. So the paid off. So the thing from here, now we make the inline here to show all to main program here. For that, it chart data type here, chart A, then make a code statement. Make you go to make the parking here, parking statement. Then make formation. make the transportation type here, make the option to choose the transportation. For the parking, first add the motorcycle here, motorcycle. Maybe the first number is the number 1. Then add the car here. And last, add the bus or truck. Type of truck or bus. Then add the parking fee here. Before we make to void function, and then show after the inmain here, after the show the parking fee information in the parking statement or parking label here. Then now make the while looping here to count again, looking for the when you want to count about the parking fee. Import to the variable. From here, and add the while here. A variable equal, and press y here, or a couple of y here. Then we go to the parking here, parking label, show the parking label. Now hit the return. This program. We complete, we done in the source code. Now we test to build this program. Click build in the toolbar and then click to build project or function 7 in your keyboard. Check in the output field, check the error. I think found the error here. Test to build key. Check 0 error and 0. Now for complete to build this program, now we go to 1 this program. we are parking fee motorcycle is fine. The result of program or output display like code section output display here is the information here sample parking fee. I think is complete to make the program of the parking fee management system. Now we test to 8 number. Let me show the number here. I forgot to add the number here. It's number 1, 2, 3. So that's the bill. Okay. Label. Good one. Now test 8 the transformation transportation type here. We test the motorcycle, 8 motorcycle here. Number 1. Type 1 in the transformation type, and then 8 plate here, like in my country or my in 7 p.m. check out 3 hours. Time cost 5,000, and we get the ribbon 2,000. Print in stock here. The print is stock. Show the print is stock. Type 1, information 1. There is the motorcycle here, and the license plate here. When you choose cone again, this Y or then test 8 to core. Five hours here. 8 cost here. Get a refund 5,000 here. Is for the car. When you just in here, but in the count, and the program is closed all time about the parking fee management. And we test to 8 the available number here. I think it's one is 1. We can test, check out, and it showed the value here. I forget to add the else here in the number in the type transformation type, and when you choose unavailable number here, you get incomplete struct here, or incomplete unavailable option. It shows about the cost of payment here, and you can get the complete parking fee. That's my tutorial. If you like this tutorial, subscribe this channel, or you can learn about the C++. You can it's my utopian here and steam it here. Thank you very much. See you next time.